Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BNB from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, it's crucial to stay updated, and I'll walk you through the latest process to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase Wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Now, search for BNB in the asset list and choose it. Remember, BNB transactions typically use the BNB Smart Chain, so double-check that the network is set correctly to avoid any lost funds. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. Binance usually charges a small network fee, which can vary. Now, the critical part. Paste your Coinbase wallet address. I can't stress this enough. Triple verify the address to prevent sending your BNB to the wrong place. Coinbase wallet addresses start with a 0x for ERC20 tokens, but since we're dealing with BNB, ensure it's compatible with the BNB Smart Chain. After entering the details, hit Continue, and you'll see a confirmation screen. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that handy. Processing times can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Coinbase wallet and check your balance. Your BNB should be there. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Binance support or check the Blockchain Explorer. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Binance to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it'll save you time and stress. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.